Welcome back to the What's Cooking Show. Again, we have Jason with the Steamboat Warehouse, and like we said on the first part, he's gonna be doing some magic for us, and a special sauce that you make magic with. Tell us about it, Jason.
All right, first, I'm gonna take my wand out, and we'll go ahead and turn on the. Let's go ahead and turn on our skillet first. Put it on low because our flame here today is pretty hot. So we're gonna turn a little saucepan on, also let them kind of preheat. Excuse me. First, we can describe the sauce that we're gonna make today is one of the 5 mother sauces of classical French cuisine. It is called a demi-glace, and we will have a lot of explanations and recipe on the website following the show. So basically, demi-glace sauce, if it's made properly, could take 2 full days, maybe 2.5, 3 days to make if it's made properly. First, you have to make demi-glace is made by mixing sauce espagnole, which is basically a lot of ingredients. It's a deep, rich veal stock that has ingredients added to it, one being a dark roux and some tomato products and things like that. And it's reduced heavily. And then you actually mix that with another very good brown sauce or brown stock, like a veal stock. The two together with the additions of some other ingredients that you'll see on the website shortly makes demi-glace, and it has to be reduced again. So very hard to explain really quickly. So today, since we don't have 2 or 3 days long of a show, we only have 30 minutes, so we have something that's already prepared. But today we're going to show everyone how easily it is once this sauce is made, and you can buy this product, and it's the certain ones that are on the product lines today that are out there are very good quality sauces. So it would be very hard to get. Like a restaurant can get it. I don't know if it's in the stores. I don't know if it would be available.
Look and see if my books.
It'd be hard. But anyway, the sauce will be on the recipe on the website. If you want to attempt it, go ahead, because the finished product is great. We're going to show you very quickly how we're going to make 3 different ones today. It's very, very quick, very easily. And today we're going to start first with we have some little pork chops, little pork cutlets that we're going to go ahead and we just want to season really lightly on the outside, both sides. And we're going to take our basting mixture, which we always use here on the show whenever I'm grilling things. It has some melted butter, minced garlic, some equal parts Worcestershire sauce and lemon juice. And just want to put that on there. And we're going to go ahead and do the same with this one. We're just going to season this one up right now, actually, Joey, and we're going to put this one on the last segment.
Okay.
Well, actually, the second segment. So we'll season him up, put him on the side. And so while we let our little pork go, one thing that goes really well with pork is figs. I do quite often at the restaurant. We'll do pork tenderloin, and we'll do like a fig glazed pork tenderloin. Today we're going to make a really quick fig demi-glaze.
Okay.
And very quickly, very easily, we're going to add some of the demi to the hot skillet. Very simple. And what we have here is we have some figs that you so kindly sought out and ordered for me and did for me. Thank you very much for that.
Not a problem, anytime.
All I did was take the figs and I just put them in a blender, make sure it was smooth as it's gonna get. You know, there's gonna be some little seeds in there, and I added a little bit of liquid to it to kind of make it into a little thinner, consistency. And we're gonna add a few spoons of this, and the amount here is totally up to you. If you like it really, really sweet, if you don't want it too sweet, you don't have to put too much. If you just want like a little accent to it, you don't have to put as much. So basically very, very simple. Just add these 2 ingredients together. Let me see how quick and easy that was. All it's gonna do is give it a little flavor. You can add a little bit of chicken stock if you like, any seasonings that you may want to put in it. It all goes well together. This fig is gonna go ahead and it's gonna make a really, really good.
Right. Well, Jason, we were talking about the sauce before the show. When a person actually gets to make it, even though it takes 2 days, you can actually keep this in the freezer and just pull out what you need when you need it.
Yes, this this sauce right here is very easy. It will hold in the refrigerator for quite some time, but you can always freeze it as well. If you keep it in the ice box for, let's say if it's in there for about a week, I would take it out, put it back in a pan or pot, and I bring it back to a boil. And what that does is all the bacteria that may be growing in it for being in there so long, it will kill the majority of them, and it'll just give it a longer shelf life, so it'll stay a little bit longer.
Gotcha. And just remind everybody at home, for the copy of this special sauce that Jason's made here, you can go to our website at kdcg.com, or you can come by the local Piggly Wiggly stores here in Opelousas and pick up a copy of the recipes. Either store will have them, 1305 Heather Drive at 8410 Highway 182 North. We have the copies. So just come by either store or go on the website and pick up your copies of recipes, or stop by Jason, meet him at the steamboat, and he'll have copies over there too.
Now you see the quantities we put, huh, Joey?
Yes.
Taste this. It's a little hot, so I'd blow on it, but perfect. Got a little sweetness to it. It tastes a lot of the fig, but it's, you know, a lot of times in the steamboat, people that don't really know what it is, they'll say that brown gravy. It's not a brown gravy.
It's a demi-glaze.
Definitely not a gravy. You know, no gravies take 2 or 3 days to make. So, so at this point, basically our sauce is finished. You see how quickly and easy that was. Anyone at home can do this. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the sauce off. We're gonna let our little piece of pork there. We're gonna go ahead and let him finish getting a little brown, cooking up a little bit.
Yeah.
And pork, I love pork. Pork is so it's so easy to go ahead and flavor with some things. And so
how do they call that? The other white meat?
The other white meat. I love pork.
Yeah, I love pork too.
So, you know, it goes so well with anything, you know, well, not saying anything, most things, you know. Cook a little pork dish at the house, drink a little white wine. You know, white wine goes really well with...
I'm sure even like a fried pork cutlet like that would be good too with the demi-glaze.
Yes. There's so many dishes that we've done using this demi-glaze. I've done a fried quail dish with a rosemary demi-glaze, and basically it gives a little texture and a little, you know, flavor. So
okay,
let's go ahead and finish this up. And
yeah, I'm going to come back and Jason's going to give us 2 more sauces that he's working with. So join us back for more What's Cooking.